Isa namang very quick and easy Korean-inspired dish ang gagawin natin today para sa inyo mga ka-Simpol.
Simpol, luto na
Medyo obsessed ako sa hindi lang sa Korean dramas at saka yung K-pop, pero pati na rin sa Korean food. Kaya ngayon gagawa tayo ng isang Korean-inspired dish na very popular, ang bulgogi. So, meron akong konting beef strips dito galing sa fresh options, pero ngayon medyo nagtitipid tayo. Mag-a-add tayo ng canned mushrooms kasi yung point kasi natin, di ba, we want to eat good food, pero we also have to be very conscious with our budget these days. And so halo natin, i-combine natin yung ating beef mushrooms. Gamit natin yung UFC canned mushrooms. Thank you very much. We marinate with a little bit of soy sauce. Gamit natin Silver Swan soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, konting sugar, kasi alam mo naman yung Korean food medyo may katamisan ng konti just to balance the saltiness. I add a bit of garlic, chopped minced garlic, a little bit of black pepper. We add just a little bit of banana ketchup. Sekreto lang natin yan, ha? Konting magic sa luto natin. Around a tablespoon of banana ketchup. And of course, Jufran Sriracha. Yan. Or hot sauce. Pwede kang kumamit na regular hot sauce, pero gamit natin is Sriracha. So, para hindi siya mag-tubig, hindi siya mag-juice out, lalagyan na natin ng konting cornstarch. Just a teaspoon of cornstarch. Para yung cornstarch ang mag-absorb ng ating moisture. Just heat up the pan, oil. So, when the oil is hot enough, we add our beef. Yan. Sizzle. Hear that sizzle. Yan. Then, spread. Yan. Quickly flash fried, no? Hot oil, quickly tossed, and that's done. We just add a little bit of spring onions. We cut into around 1.5 inch lengths. Yan, and look at that. Just wilt it up a little bit, and tapos na siya. Sobrang bilis, sobrang simple, and look at that. Para ang dami-dami niya, but we only use around 200 grams of beef. And we just garnish with a little bit of toge. Here it is, our beef and mushroom bulgogi. Simple! Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Please share para lalong dumaming ating mga ka-Simpol. And don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram accounts.